Mom breaks down as judge sentences violent son in court.
I would ask for another chance, please.
How many chances do we have to give you before you somebody? This is your fourth offense of violence.
And I understand that.
Most people are sorry when they're standing here at this point.
A violent kid gets a reality check from the judge after multiple school assaults that resulted in injuring others. This kid has repeatedly assaulted others throughout the years. He tried to use the medical excuse card, but it was declined. This time, he won't go unpunished as the judge delivers a sentence in court.
I'm sorry. I know my son, I make no excuses for, I don't condone. However, I would like you to take into consideration that since this incident happened, he has been compliant with anything that they have asked him to do. I don't know how to explain it correctly to make you understand the things that he's done, the chances that he's had. He doesn't want to spend his life in jail. He doesn't want to. He wants to have a normal life. He wants to go to school. Knows that what he did is wrong, but he's made changes to abide by. So I would just like you to take all of that into consideration.
We would ask that the defendant be incarcerated. There is restitution for medical bills, $11,277.75.
I think he does have some significant mental health issues that have affected not only this incident, but obviously his prior record over at juvenile court.
It's happened, and I got onto some new medicine to start taking.
For what?
My anger, my ADHD, and just to help stabilize myself.
Well, you don't take medicine for your anger. What's the medication prescribed for? What's the diagnosis that it's prescribed for?
I'm not sure my exact diagnosis, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
He has been on these medications off and on for years. He just has really bad side effects. They also have talked to him that if this doesn't work, that there are other medications that he can take.
That's not included in the assessment.
We explained all of those to her.
Well, I know you explained it. Was there any documentation provided of any of these diagnoses?
Juvenile court was provided with his medical records.
Juvenile court provided us with nothing.
Okay.
We got nothing from juvenile court, although it was requested. I'm looking at your record, 2018. That means you would have been about, what, 14? 12. You're 19 now?
Yes, sir.
7 years ago, you would have been 12 years old. You got your first conviction for assault. Who did you assault when you were 12?
It was a mutual fight at school.
2019, assault. Who did you assault then?
It was also a thing at school.
2021, violation of a court order. 2021, failure to comply with the order of a police officer, felony of the third degree. You know, that's a prison sentence in this court. 2021, violation of a court order. 2022, violation of a court order.
Yes,
2023, aggravated menacing. 2024, criminal mischief, criminal damaging. 2024, criminal mischief.
Yes, sir.
You have three offenses of violence on your record right now. This is your fourth offense of violence.
And I understand that. I'm looking to better myself. I don't want to live how I did in the past. I promise I can do anything, any type of program.
Most people are sorry when they're standing here at this point of the proceedings. Mr. Buchanan, I have serious concerns for you. And for some reason, and I understand this flat effect that you may present yourself with, but I think this goes much deeper than this. You can't blame violence on just the mental health conditions that you have described here today. That's not the cause of you hurting somebody seriously. I'm sorry?
I said yes, sir.
Okay. I don't need you to respond, but this is no longer juvenile court, and there are serious consequences. Anytime you make a choice in your life, make a bad choice, there's going to be bad consequences. I don't think that you've taken this as seriously as I would have liked. When you were confronted about the marijuana use, and you and I have had this discussion, your response was, well, juvenile court approved your medical marijuana. I don't know what the benefits of marijuana are. I think it's harmful, especially someone of your young age. So I am going to order you to serve a prison sentence. Parole authority will supervise you for a minimum term of 18 months up to 3 years. If you violate that supervision, you can be returned to prison for up to 1/2 of this court's original minimum term sentence. Now, before I give you your right of appeal, I want to give you some hope, because it's not my intention to ruin your life. Your decision has caused you a major setback in your life. I will tell you right now that I will consider you for judicial release, and I will release you from prison after a 6-month period in prison. So after 6 months, your attorney will file, or you can contact Mr. Aldridge, and he'll file a motion for judicial release. The conditions and what I'm looking at is that you've complied with all the terms and conditions of your confinement, which means you follow the rules. You show me that you can follow the rules. And then after 6 months, if you've done that, I will release you and put you on community control at that time. Do you understand me?
Yes.
I want to give you some hope. I'm not here to ruin your life, but you need to understand that there are serious consequences now. You are no longer in juvenile court. And you've done it in the past. You've had prior convictions for assault.